Hello friends, so this is my second video of number line. In this video I would like to tell you three things: express a number in the form of P upon Q, number 2 visualize the terms, and number 3 represent under root 9.3 on number line. So first, express any number in the form of P upon Q. Actually the number is a decimal number and we are representing on the form of P upon Q. Suppose the number is express 12.1278 bar on 78 express in the form of P upon Q. This is a question. Number is 12.1278. And you can see this is the line which is known as bar 178. So this is a bar term. Let me tell you what is the meaning of it. Whatever the bar on the 78, that means this 78 is repeated again and again up to infinite times. Okay. So I'll consider let x is equal to 12.1278 bar. And when I remove this bar, so I can write here 12.12787878 up to so on. X is equal to 1278 12.1278 and up to so on. Gives equation number 1. Now you can see that the bar on two numbers, that means we have to multiply both sides 100. Why 100? Because the condition is bar on two numbers, that means 2 0 with 1, that means it is 100. So multiplying both sides by 100. If the bar on the three numbers, 3 0 with 1, multiplying both sides by 1000. We are using this concept. Multiplying $100 on both sides. We have. So when we are multiplying both sides by 100, it is nothing is here, it is 1. So it is coming 100x is equal to, when we multiply to the right hand side by 100, you know what happens? This decimal will shift at two places. So it is 12.7878 to so on. Gives this as the equation number 2. What is the procedure of multiplying the term? Decimal is here. When we multiply by 100, it will be shifted two places like this. Subtract first from second. So when we subtract the first term, first equation from the second equation, it is 100x minus 1x. 100x minus 1x is equal to the subtraction of the right hand side term. You can use the rough space here. 1212.7878 and this is 12.12. You know that how to add or subtract the decimal number, always the decimal comes below the decimal. So this is a decimal, here is 12.1278. And when we subtract it, 0, 0, 8 minus 2, 6, that is 6.0012. So the result is coming 1200.66. Next step, 100x minus 1x, it is 99x, is equal to 1200.66. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1200.66 upon 99. When we remove the decimal from the numerator, so I can write here 120066 upon 99 with 20. because after decimal there are two numbers. After decimal there are two numbers. That means in denominator we'll write here 1 with 2 0, 100, and 100 is multiplied by 99. It is 9900. So this is the expression in the form of P upon Q. We can simplify this term also, or we can leave it here only. It's the expression in the form of P upon Q. So we'll solve all the questions in the same pattern. First of all, we open the root, write the term in the expanded form, and we'll see that the root bar on how many numbers. If the bar on 3 numbers, then multiplying both sides by 1000, subtract equation first from second and get the value. So friends, some assignments I am giving you. The questions, question number 1. $13.3485 bar on 3 number. Second question, 4.7215 bar on 1 number. Third question, 15.0329 bar on these 2 numbers. And one more question, 7.9384, here's a bar on all 4 numbers. So this is the assignment for you, the 4 questions I have given. I hope you will solve these questions using the same method. Second part I am taking, visualize. So the number is visualize 3.765 on number line. Question, visualize 3.765 on number line. Guys, how to visualize 3.765 on the number line? Look at this. This is the procedure. First of all, we'll see that 3.765. This is the number which is lying between 2 integers 3 and 4. Because 3 point something is there, that means this is the number is between 3 and 4. First of all, this is the line segment 1 part. Here's a 3. Here I am writing 4. Because this number lies between them. So that's why first is 3, second is 4. We'll divide this line segment into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3.0 and 4.0. And this can be written for the sake of our convenience so that we don't confuse. This is 3.7 after decimal, the next number is 7. So let us see where's a 3.7. This is 3.567. 3.7. After that, this is 3.8. So now we are going to elaborate this part, 3.7 and 3.8. Again, same thing. This is 3.7 because this number is coming between these 2 numbers. So 3.7, that is 3.8. Divided into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put 0 here. Friends, you don't forget to put 0 here. It's very conveniently you, because the next number is 3.71, 72, 73, 74 and so on. Next is 3.76. After decimal, the second digit is 6. So this is 3.7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.75. It is 3.76. And this number is 3.77. Now this number comes between these 2 numbers. That is 3.76. Here is 3.77. Again put 0 here. Divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3.761, 3.762, 3, 4, and this is a place which is known as 3.765, and we are visualizing this number 3.765. So that is the point is known as 3.765. Actually 3.7 I have written here, so we have to join it. We will join from here to here. Now from 3.76 like this, 3.77. This is the method is considered as a successive magnification method. Successive magnification method, that means there's a one magnifying lens over here. We can make a lens. So friends, this is called successive magnification method. Visualize the number on number line. One assignment I am giving you, you will solve the question 4.26 bar on number line. Number line. 4.26 bar. In the question, the condition is this is a representation which is to be done up to 4 decimal places. So 4 decimal places, what does it mean? 4.2626. That's it. So that means you are going to visualize number 4.2626 using the same procedure. I think there are 1, 2, 3 lines. In this question, there are 4 lines. Next is (6.234) 5 on number line. So here are the 2 questions I am giving you for solving. I hope you will solve by using the same method. Next question. Represent root 9.3 on number line. Represent root 9.3 on number line. Friends, for representing root 9.3 on number line, you will take your geometry box with you. 2 things are required: pair of compass and second is ruler. 9.3. You can see that under the root there's a number 9.3. So first of all, with the help of ruler, we'll have to draw a line segment of 9.3 centimeter like this. AB 9.3. This could be a straight line, AB 9.3, and extend this line 1 more centimeter like this. 1 centimeter is here. This is 9.3 centimeter, it is 1 centimeter. Give the name here C. AB is equal to 9.3 centimeter, extend it up to 1 centimeter, and the name is C. So there are 3 points A, B and C. I'll explain you why I have extended 1 centimeter more. This is the first step. Second step, I am going to draw a perpendicular bisector of AC. Perpendicular bisector of AC, that means if you open a pair of compass, placing the needle point at A, more than half of AC, not AB. More than half of AC, draw 2 arcs on either side of AC. Having the same radius, placing the needle point at C, and cut these 2 previous arcs. With the help of ruler, join it. This is the point named D. And you make sure that this point D will be the middle point of AC. That means from DA and DC both are equal. And that is a perpendicular, so it is considered as a perpendicular bisector. DA is equal to DC. After that, placing the needle point at D, taking the radius of DA or DC and draw a circle. So this circle will pass through point A and C. This circle will pass through point A and C, and obvious it will pass through A and C because D is the midpoint and we have taken the radius DA or DC. So this is a semicircle on upside passing through point A and C. After that, point B, through this point B, we are going to draw one perpendicular. For that we can use a protractor or pair of compass. So I am using a pair of compass. This is the needle point. Open the pair of compass of sufficient distance of radius. Draw an arc like that. Having this is a point. Open half more than this term. Draw an arc. Cut this arc and join it, produce it. This is a perpendicular. Suppose this perpendicular is intersecting to the circle at point E. So the distance from B to E is equal to under root 9.3. Let me tell you how the value of BE is equal to 9.3. But because this under root 9.3 we are going to represent on the number line. So number line is not this, number line is that. Again, we are going to extend this line like this. And B is a needle point. Open the radius B to E, draw an arc like this. Keeping the needle point here, draw an arc. And this is the point E dash. So the distance from B to E is equal to B to E dash. That means the value from B to E dash is equal to under root 9.3. So friends, one thing is that this AB is a line segment. Once this is extended 1 centimeter, second time it is extended again. Okay. So 2 times this AB will be extended. This distance from B to E is, which I am telling you, I am claiming that it is under root 9.3. Let me tell you how is it. By mathematically, I would like to explain it. Join from B to E. In triangle DBE, using Pythagoras theorem. Of course, we can use Pythagoras theorem because it is a perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. So in triangle DBE, right angle triangle, can be used Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse, that means DE square is equal to DB square plus BE square. Now find out the value of DE and DB. So now see, AB is equal to, here, AB is equal to 9.3. BC is equal to 1. That means AC is equal to 9.3 plus 1. It means it is 10.3. And if AC is 10.3, AD is half of AC. AD is half of AC. Therefore, the value of AD is equal to 1 upon 2 into 10.3. It comes 5.15. D is a center point of this circle. There are 3 radii, DA, DE and DC. And the value DA is equal to DE is equal to DC is equal to 5.15. So that is 5.15. Here is also 5.15 and that is also 5.15. Got it? 5.15, 5.15 and 5.15. All radii are equal in a circle. The value of DE is equal to 5.15 is equal to DB. This is DB. DB can be written DC minus BC. DC is 5.15 minus 1 centimeter this. 5.15 minus 1, it is 4.15 whole square plus BE square. Shifting this term here, 5.15 whole square minus 4.15 whole square is equal to BE square. Using identity, A square minus B square, that is A plus B, A minus B. 5.15 plus 4.15 and 5.15 minus 4.15 is equal to BE square. 5.15 plus 4.15, when we are adding it, it is coming 9.3. When we subtract 5.15 minus 4.15, it is 1, is equal to BE square. Therefore, BE square is equal to 9.3 multiplied by 1, that is 9.3. And therefore, BE is equal to under root 9.3. So that's why I told you that the distance from B2 is under root 9.3. Since it is a 9.3, then BE dash is also 9.3. Now the question, as I told you that we are extending it 1 centimeter. Why only 1 centimeter should be extended? Why not 2 or more centimeter? Because the reason is, here when we are using the term A square minus B square, that is A plus B and A minus B. So always the difference is coming here 1, and you know that in a number system, 1 is a number which can be multiplied to any number, the number remains same. So when the 1 comes here, this 1 is multiplied by any number, and any number, that means whatever the number which we have taken from A to B, this A to B will be coming here always. In each and every question of like this. 9.3 multiplied by 1, it comes 9.3. So that's why I have extended 1 centimeter more. Because this 1 is multiplied by here, so the result is same as. Okay. So friends, this is the procedure by which you can express any number under the root in the form of this. 2 more questions I am giving you for practice. Number 1. Under root 3.5 represent on the number line. Second one is 8.7. And I hope at the time when you are representing on the number line, you will use proper pair of compass and ruler. Hello friends, in my next video I am taking two topics. Topic number 1 is rationalization, the denominator, and second one is loss of exponents. And loss of exponents, I think in the previous classes you are aware of all these loss of exponents, but apart from these I will take some questions also.